Hi guys, I'm Mackie Messer, but you can call me Mackie, and welcome to my forge. Today on my anvil shaped object here, I'm trying to forge another simple bottle opener because I have less time. But I thought as a special thing, for the first subscriber, I give it away. I will send it to the person. It will be out of this very simple piece of old metal junk, and I will try to make a simple bottle opener out of this. When I have more time, depends when my wife needs to go, I maybe make a second one and can give a second one away. Let's see what happens. But first, let's turn the lady on. So here we go. First one done. I still have time, so let's make another one. But first, it works. Fabulous. So, little t-shirt change. I was sweating like crazy. This time out of a old piece of rebar. And now, let's turn her on. second one looks like it wants to break on this side here. So I need to redesign it, cut it off immediately and see what I can change that it still gets a bottle opener. Let's see what happens. I think that will work, like a little hook. Yeah, let's see if I can make it possible. So, the second one is done, and it's perfect because I have no time left. But let's see if it works. Perfectly. I mean, it's an already open bottle, but it works. So, this too. You can get 2 subscribers and then 2 giveaways. Just for you guys. Subscribe and leave a comment and you can get one of these, for free. I will also take the shipping cost. Okay, enough joking. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Ciao and bye bye.